Now, a bust like this is just a typical day for Chico Police, but a proposed budget cut for the city could soon cause a strain on their resources. KRCR News Channel 7's Tracy Leong has been digging deeper to get the facts on what these cuts could mean, and she joins us now with what she's found. Hey, Tracy.
Hey, Mark, the city of Chico is facing a possible deficit of $2.2 million for the coming fiscal year, and the police department is one place that could be on the chopping block, which has the Chico Police Officers Association concerned.
I believe we're going in the opposite direction than what we need as a community to be safe.
In an effort to balance Chico's budget for the upcoming year, City Manager Dave Berkland has recommended to not fill 2 positions with the Chico Police Department for officers that are retiring.
We have had to affect public safety because that's the largest part of our budget. So almost 80% of our budget is in public safety. So, you know, we to be able to make cuts, we sometimes have to trim a little bit with public safety.
However, the president of the Chico Police Officers Association says this is the wrong way to go.
If we don't have a plan to hire these people right now, that means we're going to be a year to 18 months behind when we need to hire somebody. So really the long-term effect is that the community will lose out on having those 2 officers for a good year and a half.
We do have to, just like business does, we do have to scale back sometimes to be able to have that balanced budget and to continue to operate and provide the highest level of service that we can.
Chico's city manager says this is just the preliminary stages of the budget and things could change.
Revenues come in higher, our expenses come in a little lower. You know, the police positions, the fire positions would be the first ones that I'd fill.
Something the Chico Police Officers Association is hoping for.
We are historically high for a number of calls for service, and we keep losing officers. Then it's just going to get to a point of where the community is going to be affected because we can't respond to all the calls when they come in.
The city will find out their revenue for the year in May, which will affect how the council will move forward with the budget. Their next meeting for the proposed budget is in June. Tracy Leong, KRCR News Channel 7.